Google just hit reset, and this time Sergey Brin himself is stepping in. Google DeepMind has assembled a specialized strike team. Reports suggest that Anthropic's coding tools are outperforming Google's Gemini models, especially in real-world developer workflows. And Google knows it. So now, a dedicated team led by research engineer Sebastian Borgud is being tasked with one job: upgrade Google's AI coding capabilities quickly. What makes this different? Here are, of course, the details. Defining this as an internal project would be incorrect because Sergey Brin, along with DeepMind CTO Kore Kuvo-Kooglu, are directly involved. And involvement at that level usually means a sense of urgency. The focus is on long context coding tasks, understanding entire code bases, and building models that can operate across files, not just snippets. Because, well, the next phase of AI goes beyond writing lines of code towards understanding systems. And Google is now training these models on its own internal code base. The goal is larger than just catching up. Google wants these models to improve themselves, to evolve, if you will, into AI systems that can automate the entire research and development loop, which makes this a very different ambition. Because if AI can write code, test code, and improve code, then it stops just being a tool and graduates to the role of a developer. And here, of course, is the front page take. There's, of course, also a reality check here. Let's not forget. Today, Google says, well, roughly 50% of its code is written using AI agents. Anthropic claims its systems are already deeply integrated into coding workflows. And that very difference is starting to show. At the same time, OpenAI is doubling down on Codex. Anthropic is pushing Claude Code. And now Google is rebuilding its stack from the inside. 3 companies, 1 battlefield: coding. Because in the AI race, the company that writes the best code might end up writing the future. What do you have to say about that? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.